As of today, only test pilots in the Indian Air Force are eligible to be astronauts, because you need a certain set of attributes, mental attributes, psychological attributes, and physical attributes, to be able to become an astronaut. And military test pilots have all those attributes, right? So as of today, it's military test pilots who are being trained for the Indian human space flight program, which may take off in the next couple of years. Maybe the first flight of people, Indian astronauts, will take place in the next 2 or 3 years at most, I think, from what I hear. So as of today, you have to be a military, an Air Force test pilot. In the future, if India does decide to augment its human space flight program, if it becomes more ambitious in space exploration, then maybe you would find maybe scientists or engineers or biologists or chemists or physicists traveling into space as astronauts. That could happen. And in the future, maybe space tourism may take off, in which case, if you are very rich, you may be able to buy a ticket into space and be in orbit for about 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes, see the curvature of the planet and experience weightlessness before you come back down to Earth. But for students, for ordinary people who are not millionaires or billionaires, as of today, it is very hard to become an astronaut. But maybe in the next 20 years, if India does become ambitious and start a human space flight program to the moon, to Mars, etc., then there could be a good future for students who wish to become astronauts. In which case, there would be a training program for astronauts, etc. You would need to have a certain kind of psychological profile and certain physical attributes. You need to be fit and all that. And if you are able to go through this rigorous program, you may be able to become an astronaut. But that is all currently in the realm of fiction. As of today, India hasn't taken the first step yet. The first human space flight still hasn't taken place. So it's all in the future. But I hope that in the next 20, 30 years, Indian students will be able to have a realistic ambition of becoming astronauts and traveling into space. I hope it happens.